Okay, so step 1, identify the report that you wish to modify. Step 2, copy the report using the report navigator. Step 3, use the SQL query builder to modify the data if it's required. And step 4, use the report window and report tools to modify the look of the report, again only if it's required. Okay, so for example, there's a question that I get asked quite a lot in technical support, and it's about the Clearview to-do lists. Many people want to know if it's possible to see tasks that have already been completed. So are there existing ways to see these completed tasks? Not really, I'm afraid. But can we do up a customized report to see the completed tasks? And yeah, that's basically what we're going to do right now. Okay, so if you weren't aware, every single gadget, including the to-do list, they're powered by a report. So essentially, we can create our own report that's going to show us what we want. So firstly, let me go to the to-do list to show you what we're talking about. It's this one here. Okay, so step 1, it's to identify which report we're starting with. Now remember that reports, they're basically filters. So it stands to reason that a list of unfinished tasks, such as the ones available on this gadget, they must have been filtered down from a list of all tasks, whether those tasks were completed or not. Okay, and you'll find that most of the times, when you see a problem or a challenge originating from one gadget or another, the answer will often be to make a copy of that same gadget and just modify, I guess, some of the data and some of the tweaks behind the scenes. Okay, so if you are looking at a gadget, to figure out what report powers which gadget, you simply go to the gadget and then you check the gadget options, which I don't actually have available here. Don't think I'm logged in as supervisor. Excuse me for just a second and I'll relog. No sample. Okay, so again, I guess this emphasizes the point. It's really quite important to log in as supervisor, as someone who has access to the gadget options when you're trying to perform, or when you're trying to look into the options of a gadget, I suppose. Master files, Clearview, BI dashboards. Continue. Okay, if I go to accounts. Okay, here we go. So to look into the options, you click on this little cog icon here. And the second field, data source, that's the name of the report we're looking for. It's BI Inquiry My CRM To Do. Okay, so step 1, we've identified what report we want. Step 2, it's to make a copy of the report. So let's open the report designer. We are making a copy, and I'm going to call it completed tasks. Okay, remember we need to toggle between custom and standard. And the one we wanted, BI Inquiry, My CRM, My To-Do List. Wait, that's a different one, sorry. My CRM To Do, there we go. Okay, so step 3 is to modify the data. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit and skip ahead several dozen tutorials and pretend I know all about SQL. So you can see down here, this is a condition where complete equals to false. This is what's filtering the data to show only entries that have not been completed. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to true and save. Now keep in mind that you can completely remove the condition and that'll give you a to-do list that shows all tasks, whether they're completed or not. But anyway, let's just do this for the time being. That's really all we wanted to change. I mean, I don't really want to change the look and feel of the report. So let's give it a preview. Okay, so this is a list of tasks I've completed this morning, and also further back as well. Okay. As a little bit extra, let's add this one to one of the blank gadgets because it was a gadget to begin with. To do that, okay, everyone probably knows by now, but on the very last page of each dashboard, you've got 6 blank gadgets to do with whatever you want, really. I'm going to use one of them now to add completed tasks as the gadget. Oh, I think I picked the wrong one there. Completed. Oh. Sorry about that. It's still looking for an older report that I did beforehand. So this one was called My To Do Copy. That's a little bit odd. I thought I changed the name, but that's all right. CRM employees, customers, CRM to do. Oh, this is a little embarrassing. I don't know where my copy's gone. Let's do it again just quickly. So we are copying. We are inquiring my CRM to do copy 1. Actually, let's just rename that. With the name completed tasks. Okay, let's try that again. That's better. We'll save that. Now, unfortunately, we can't resize the size of these gadgets. So let's go to the full screen view. Okay, so you can see the tasks that have been completed. And just to demonstrate that point, let's create a task now or complete one of the ones that are incomplete. So twiddle thumbs, I can do that right now. I'll twiddle my thumbs and I'll complete the task. Okay, and it gets removed from the original to-do list. That only shows things that are incomplete. If we go now to the one that we just created, you can see here, twiddle thumbs, it's been completed, and now it shows up on our completed, to-do list. Okay, so just to sum up, my Clearview to-do list don't show me tasks that I've already completed. Is there a way to see these items? So yes, we can create a new report to see the completed tasks. In step 1, identify the report that you wish to modify. We decided to copy the existing to-do list and tweak it just a little bit. Step 2, copy the report using the report navigator. Step 3, use the query builder to modify the data. Now this is where I cheated. I knew exactly where to find the condition. But as you get more familiar with reports, you'll realize what certain things do as well. And as I mentioned earlier, anyone who's interested in looking more closely at the SQL stuff, please attend my webinar on Thursday. That's where I sort of go into the SQL designer. And as I said, you can remove the condition altogether, and that'll give you a different report, one that shows all tasks, whether they're completed or not. Step 4 is to redesign the report look and feel if you want. It wasn't required in this example, but oftentimes if you're looking at a report or a gadget and you go, this is perfect, but I kind of want an extra field here that shows me X, Y, or Z. Or if your client says, this gadget is perfect, but I don't really need to see these 2 columns. Can you remove them for me? This is basically the step where you would do that. You can just remove those fields or add those fields and redesign how the report looks and what data gets shown.